The sound of keyboards clicking in Microsoft's Redmond headquarters suddenly stops as engineers witness something that shouldn't be possible: a laptop browsing websites, answering complex questions, and generating content without a single internet connection. If you think this sounds like science fiction, hit that subscribe button, because what you're about to discover will completely change how you think about technology forever. Drop a comment below with the word offline if you're ready to see the future happen right now. Microsoft's latest Surface laptop achievement represents more than just another computer release. It's a complete revolution in how we understand digital interaction. Microsoft introduces Surface PCs that run AI models and cost less than earlier versions. The moment you power on this $2,200 machine, you're stepping into a world where the boundaries between online and offline completely disappear. Every click, every search, every creative task happens with the speed and intelligence of the internet, but entirely within the confines of your personal device. The magic begins with what Microsoft calls their neural processing unit, a specialized chip that processes over 40 trillion operations per second. This isn't just faster computing, it's an entirely new category of machine intelligence that lives directly on your hardware. When you open the laptop and ask it to write an email, research a topic, or even create a presentation, the response comes instantly because everything happens locally on your machine. These Copilot Plus PCs represent the fastest, most intelligent Windows PCs ever built, designed specifically to unlock AI experiences that empower users to accomplish more than ever before. Microsoft Devices Microsoft blogs, the offline capabilities stem from massive AI models that have been compressed and optimized to run entirely on local hardware. Imagine having Google, Wikipedia, ChatGPT, and Photoshop all running simultaneously without ever needing to connect to the internet. The engineering breakthrough that makes this possible involves revolutionary compression algorithms that squeeze the knowledge of entire internet databases into models small enough to run on consumer hardware. Microsoft's research teams spent years developing techniques to distill the essence of billions of web pages, academic papers, and reference materials into neural networks that can recreate that knowledge locally. The result is a laptop that knows as much as the internet but never needs to access it. Walking through the user experience feels like using magic rather than technology. You can ask the laptop complex questions about quantum physics, request detailed historical analyses, or even have it write code for sophisticated applications, all while sitting in the middle of a desert with no cell towers for hundreds of miles. The responses come with the same depth and accuracy you'd expect from the best online AI assistants, but with zero latency and complete privacy. The local AI models running on the device have been trained on diverse datasets that include scientific journals, technical documentation, creative writing samples, and practical how-to guides. This means the laptop can assist with everything from complex mathematical calculations to creative storytelling, from business planning to personal health questions. The breadth of knowledge available offline rivals what most people access through traditional internet browsing throughout their entire day. Battery life extends to 16 hours of continuous operation, a significant improvement that supports all-day AI processing without requiring constant charging. Microsoft introduces Surface PCs that run AI models and cost less than earlier versions. This extended battery performance becomes crucial when you realize that every AI interaction, from simple questions to complex content generation, happens through intensive local processing rather than lightweight cloud communication. The laptop maintains peak performance throughout the entire battery cycle. Privacy represents perhaps the most compelling aspect of this offline AI revolution. Every conversation, every document you create, every search query you make remains entirely on your device. No data packets travel to remote servers, no algorithms analyze your behavior for advertising purposes, and no corporate databases store your personal information. Your digital life becomes truly private for the first time in decades. The creative applications prove especially remarkable when you discover the laptop's ability to generate images, music, and video content entirely offline. Professional photographers can enhance their images with AI-powered editing tools that previously required expensive cloud subscriptions. Musicians can collaborate with AI to compose original songs without uploading their work to remote servers. Writers can access sophisticated grammar checking, style suggestions, and even creative writing assistance without ever connecting to the internet. Business applications transform completely when confidential work can be processed. With full AI assistance while maintaining absolute security, legal firms can analyze contracts with AI support without risking client confidentiality. Medical professionals can research complex cases with AI assistance while protecting patient privacy. Financial advisors can perform sophisticated analysis without exposing sensitive client data to external networks. The offline browsing experience recreates familiar internet navigation through locally stored and dynamically generated content. The laptop maintains extensive databases of reference information, news archives, and educational resources that update whenever you do connect to the internet, then remain available indefinitely during offline periods. Searching feels identical to Google, but every result comes from your local storage and AI processing. Students discover unprecedented learning opportunities when they can access comprehensive educational resources regardless of their location or internet availability. Rural areas with limited connectivity suddenly gain access to the same educational AI assistance available in major cities. International travelers can maintain full productivity without worrying about expensive data roaming or unreliable hotel Wi-Fi connections. The technical architecture involves multiple specialized AI models working in coordination to simulate different aspects of internet functionality. One model handles factual questions and research queries. Another manages creative tasks like writing and design. A third focuses on technical problem solving and programming assistance. Together, they create a seamless experience that feels like having access to the entire internet through a single powerful device. Gaming and entertainment applications reach new heights when AI can generate personalized content, create custom game modifications, and even develop entirely new games based on your preferences, all without requiring downloads or online connectivity. The laptop becomes not just a consumption device, but a creative platform that generates unique entertainment experiences tailored specifically to your interests and skill levels. Recent developments in offline AI models, including innovations from companies like DeepSeek and GPT-4a-LL, demonstrate the growing ecosystem of local AI solutions that eliminate dependence on internet connectivity while maintaining sophisticated reasoning capabilities. Elephas multiscale. These advances show that Microsoft's approach represents part of a larger industry trend toward local AI processing rather than an isolated innovation. The social implications extend far beyond individual productivity gains. Entire communities in remote areas can now access AI-powered education, healthcare consultation, and business development tools without requiring expensive internet infrastructure. Developing regions can leapfrog traditional connectivity limitations by deploying offline AI systems that provide many benefits of digital connectivity without the infrastructure requirements. Emergency applications prove particularly valuable when natural disasters or infrastructure failures eliminate internet connectivity. First responders can access AI-powered decision support tools, medical reference databases, and communication coordination systems even when traditional networks fail completely. The laptop becomes a critical tool for maintaining essential services during crisis situations. The economic impact promises to reshape entire industries built around internet connectivity requirements. Software companies must reconsider business models that depend on cloud subscriptions when users can access equivalent functionality offline. Content creators gain new distribution options that don't require constant streaming or downloads. Educational institutions can provide consistent AI-enhanced learning experiences regardless of their connectivity infrastructure. Research and development applications flourish when scientists and engineers can access AI assistance for complex problem solving without concerns about intellectual property exposure. Through cloud services, pharmaceutical researchers can analyze molecular interactions, aerospace engineers can optimize designs, and climate scientists can process environmental data using powerful AI tools while maintaining complete control over their proprietary information. The laptop's ability to simulate internet functionality extends to social media experiences, where AI generates personalized feeds based on your interests and interaction patterns, all processed locally. News aggregation happens through AI analysis of periodically downloaded content, creating customized news experiences without real-time internet access.